Hello guys, today we're going to unbox and test this very nice little camping lantern from Fenix. CL26R. This should be interesting. Let's see if we manage to open this nice box. It's made from cardboard. Look at that! That is tiny! Should be nice to see how it performs. Here is a sticker that tells you how to that you need to remove something. Let's just get rid of this, and then let's unscrew it. Aha, here we can find it. Yep. The battery is the amazingly nice 2600 milliampere battery, rechargeable of course, USB-C. This is a standard 18650, so then you can use whatever you find with this 18650, and then again, of course, you can use these dry cells you can buy in many stores, CR123. They have the same length and thickness, almost. And there is a hidden compartment in the bottom of the box with some accessories. You have an O-ring and a clip. You have a USB-A to micro USB with the nice Fenix logo. And you have the warranty card and of course the manual. Let's see how it's worked. Oh yes, it's a magnetic base. You can stick this one to a metal. Check. Amazing. You see it's sucking the battery out. The magnet is back here with the tripod screw. Yeah, very strong. I will say it's very good. You can open and close the door with it without any problem at all. O-ring for waterproofness. Has a ring you can hang it from, and USB micro on this one. Brochures with everything you need to know inside about a lot of the lamps. This one I got from a company in Norway, which we can barely see, like this maybe. They also sell binoculars. Better check out their website if you're interested in something like this. They have an amazing, what is called? Lots of telescope in the shop, so check that out. Rifle, what it is called in English? I don't know. Let's see how the light is working, because you just long press this one and you get to the lowest setting. Next, and then you get this one. This is no light on the back side, only on the front. It will show better when you are in the dark room. And then you can cycle it to the bottom. It's a little weak, but it's 2 intensities. And then back to this. And if you double tap, you get to the red light. Red light all the way around, and if you click one more, you get a blinking red light. And then you have to double tap to get back to this. Yep, long press, it's off. Let's try it in the dark room. Okay, we are now in the black room, as you can see, nothing. And we press and hold. And there we have it. First click. And medium. Yes, looks good. And high. It's almost too much. And then you have this, which is lighting only one way. So if you turn it around, you can see the light will follow the wall. And now on me and on the camera. Very nice feature, because then you can only light up the object you want to light up. Excellent! And then you can click one more time, and then you have the light at the end. This is very weak, so it's not so good to see it. Yeah, like that. And then you tap again, and it will start all over. If you double tap, you get the red light, which also is not that strong. And if you tap one more, you will have the blinking red light. And tap one more, it's back to steady. Double tap, and you're back on normal light. Double tap, and that's it. Yes! It's an excellent light. I can highly recommend this one. Let's see how it works, how the charging is working. Micro USB on this one. Let's see if we get that the right way around. And here you can see it. Let's see if I remove this one. Yeah. Blue LED is blinking. It is 4 LEDs when it's full. And the charging current is a very healthy, almost 1.5 amps, which again is excellent for a micro USB. That was very nice to know. 1.4 amps, 5 amps for this tiny little light with a micro USB. Amazing. And the IP rating is IP66, which means it can stand out in the rain with no problem. It's rather, you can hose it down with a hose. Okay guys, there you have it. This tiny little lantern. Amazing performance. With a small torch in the bottom and a very uniform light from the lamp itself. Fantastic. I can really recommend this one. Thanks for watching guys. Hope to see you in the next one. Goodbye.